Alright everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in this new video I'm going to show you how you can do an image search on Shein. Shein is an e-commerce marketplace that deals in mostly women fashion. So we're going to look at how to do an image search on the Shein marketplace. So the first thing is to go to the mobile version of the marketplace. You can do this on your mobile app, or you can as well visit the website on your mobile phone. So either ways you can do an image search. So once you're on the app, the next thing is to look at the top right section of the screen to see the camera icon right there. Just click on that and then you can upload your image. So I'll just select an image from my gallery right here. I'll be selecting the image of this shoe. So it just goes ahead to scan the image and it pulls up images of or catalog of other related products to the image that you uploaded. So you can explore the list or you can explore the catalog to see the products that are related to the ones you are looking for. I hope that's a useful one for you. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one.